So my Black & Decker Jigsaw just died, but I remember, I forgot where I put it, but I found it. I got a Craftsman. Oh. Let's fire that baby up and finish this cut. Well, so now that my other project's done, I can put this away and get out my Black & Decker, the one that stopped working. So let's bring that out. It's old. You know, it's probably gummed up with sawdust and stuff. Let me plug it in. All right. Let's see what this looks like. Why is it? Jumping Jesus. Come on, get out of there already. What is that, a star bit? Alright, let me get a proper screwdriver and I'll be back. Alright, so let's see if this works. What the hell? Whoops, I mean, what the heck? Alright. Alright. I'm just waiting for a spring to pop out, go flying. Something always pops out. Got the plug. Spring right there. This right here doesn't look right. brush contact on the right is at an angle. This one's got a spring. That must be on the bottom. I'm going to focus right here for now. I'll zoom out a little bit just to show you what I was looking at. Yeah, there's a spring down there inside. So it's just the opposite of this, flipped over. But why is it at an angle? The seal don't look too good. It's not that dirty. Maybe I get some WD-40 and clean it up. Let's see if I can get this back to where it's supposed to be. Let me play with that. Alright, so the problem is, this thing is at the end of its life. The brushes are gone. You see the spring is at the very end of its limit. Right there. That's got a teeny bit left. This one over here, the spring is touching all the way in. It can't go in any farther, so it's not really making good contact there. So, unless I get new brushes, there's really not a lot I can do. It is all the way at the end of its travel. It's right there. Let's see if I can get this other guy in without making it seasick. Hang on. Alright, so this brush here, besides being at an angle, it must have been like that forever. I can't move it. I pushed on it with a screwdriver. But you can see the spring clip is all the way to the left. It is all the way in there. Can't go any farther. So, other than that, it's pretty good, except brushes are gone. And that's why brushless motors are so popular. Alright, well. Alright, enough of that. I wonder if I can make these brushes. The problem is, those springs, once I take that motor out, those brushes go flying, and trying to get it back in, it's a, you know what, I had a Black & Decker drill, same thing. Took it out, couldn't get it back in. It just would not go in. I couldn't, you needed 4 hands, well actually 3, one for each brush and then one for the motor. So that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. So, I was able to move the copper casing for the brush. I don't know if you can see, but the brush is worn away at that angle. And it's worn so much, it started rubbing on the copper jacket on the damn, on this thing. So, yeah, I'd pretty well say it's shot. Alright.